One of the best ways to get rich is to build many different sources of passive income. So today, I'm gonna break down 9 ways to generate passive income. These ways have helped me to make millions, and they can help you too. Without further ado, let's dive in. Stocks. I'm starting with stocks because it is one of the most straightforward ways to build passive income. The process of investing in stocks is very simple. You just have to create an account at a brokerage like Fidelity or Robinhood, then you add your payment information, and after that, you choose the stocks that you want to buy and you click buy. If it is a good stock, then the price will go up, earning you unrealized gains. If you sell the stock down the road for a higher price than the one you bought it for, you can realize gains and take some of the profit. Some stocks also issue dividends, and dividends allow you to make money from the stock without having to sell it. Buying index funds that track the S&P 500 or the NASDAQ 100 can be significantly less risky than buying individual stocks. So if you want to go with the most secure stock investment out there, you can buy things like VU, QQQ, or SPY. These investments tend to generate 8 to 12% annually, and you can just buy these assets, hold them in your portfolio, and just watch them rise in value. These assets have historically gone up over the long term, and there's a significantly high probability that this trend will continue. Next is rental real estate. When you buy rental real estate, you buy a property and rent it out to tenants. Then the rent payment just keeps rolling in every month. This strategy is not 100% passive because you will occasionally have to make repairs or replace a tenant. However, oftentimes tenants will stay in a property for many years, and it'll be a very easy process for you to deal with. Rental real estate properties can generate thousands or tens of thousands of dollars of cash flow per year, and the underlying asset will also tend to appreciate in most cases, which is another great way that you can use this strategy. But real estate investments tend to require larger amounts of capital up front compared to many other types of investments. You have to keep that in mind when you're trying to build flows of passive income. However, rental real estate qualifies for powerful tax advantages, such as the depreciation deduction, which lets property owners deduct the full cost of their rental property structure over a period of time. To learn more about the tax benefits of rental real estate, check out this video we made for you right here. All right, number 3, and one of my favorites, is to start a YouTube channel. YouTube channels can be a great way to make passive income. Although it will most likely not be fully passive, YouTube channels do generate passive income. This is because once you add a video to the platform, it could potentially keep generating revenue indefinitely as long as people keep watching that exact same video. However, setting up a YouTube video does require significant effort. You'll have to figure out what your niche is, how you're going to operate in it, who's going to come up with the video ideas, is that going to be you, how are you going to film the video, edit the video, upload the video. All of this becomes a process. Once you have more than 1,000 subscribers and more than 4,000 hours of watch time, you join the YouTube Partner Program. Then you can start making anywhere from $1 to $12 per 1,000 video views on average, depending on your niche. Sometimes it's possible to make even more than that per 1,000 views if your channel has content that marketers are willing to pay more money to advertise on. You might have noticed, but I have a YouTube channel. This channel generates passive income every single month for me, and I'm still getting paid for videos that I published 4 or 5 years ago. Another nice thing about having a YouTube channel is that it will help you grow an audience. Once you have an audience, you can create additional opportunities to generate passive income, such as our next one. Now, before we move on, I got to remind you guys that my Tax-Free Millionaire Summit is right around the corner. Spots are disappearing quickly. So over these 3 days, I want you to know I'll teach you every cutting edge strategy that I've learned. I'm going to cut your tax bill by 50 to 100% using real estate strategies, income shifting techniques, entity structuring secrets, and much more. This is your chance to finally take control and start creating lasting tax-free wealth for you and your family. Click the link in the description below to grab a spot. Now back to this video. Number 4, affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you earn passive income by promoting other people's products or services, and you earn a commission for each sale or action made through your unique referral link. You start by joining an affiliate program like Amazon or even ClickBank and choosing products that fit your audience or interests. You can also work with individual companies to market their products. Then you share these products through a blog, social media, YouTube, or even emails, embedding your affiliate link. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase or completes an action, like signing up for a service, boom, you earn a commission without having to create the product or handle the customer service yourself. The key is to create content that naturally attracts people, like reviews, tutorials, or recommendations, so that your links feel helpful rather than pushy. Next is writing a book. This is one of the oldest and most classic ways to generate passive income. With a book, all the effort is done in the beginning, and then you can continue selling the product for years or even decades to come. I've written a number of books and ebooks. You can check out one of my ebooks in the description below this video called The Short-Term Rental Rule: How to Reduce Taxes Like the 1%. I'll be publishing more books in the near future to teach you how to dramatically reduce your tax burden by leveraging powerful tax strategies, so stay tuned for that. But if you have a YouTube channel or if you have another platform with a lot of followers such as Instagram or TikTok, you could promote your book on these platforms as well, and this will also help you to generate sales. Next is starting a podcast. Podcasts are very similar to YouTube channels in that you will have to make some effort early on and on an ongoing basis. However, once every episode is live, it could potentially generate you passive income for an indefinite amount of time. You do not have to be a certified expert on a particular topic to start a podcast. You could simply go with a niche that you're passionate about and start talking. Many people around the world want to listen to podcasts about their favorite topics. So if you can create podcasts around a specific topic, then you might be able to get an audience. And there are so many different platforms that many people listen to podcasts on. For example, YouTube, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and much more all host podcasts. You may also be able to sell sponsorships to your podcast that pay you a certain amount of money per 1,000 views. I recently started my own podcast show. It's called the Wealth Made Simple Podcast. We're posting high quality content on the podcast regularly, so make sure you check that one out. Next, selling an online course. Creating and selling an online course is a powerful way to generate passive income by leveraging your knowledge in a niche topic such as photography, coding, personal finance, bookkeeping. But if you start off by identifying a high demand problem and then creating a subject that you're solving the problem around, you can provide a unique way, outline your course structure with modules, lessons, and quizzes, and just record high quality video content and have a couple of supplemental downloadable resources like PDFs and worksheets, and boom, platforms like Teachable, Skillshare, Udemy make it so easy to host and sell your course. When your course is created, upload your materials and set a price and go. You can create a custom sales page with compelling descriptions, testimonials, and previews, and even to drive sales passively, you can optimize for search engine optimization by building an email list through free lead magnets, promote it via social media or affiliate partnerships, and let the platform handle payments and delivery. Once your course is launched, the course can sell repeatedly with minimal maintenance. All you have to do is have some occasional updates, allowing you to earn ongoing revenue while focusing on other ventures. Next is to build a membership community. Creating a membership community is an effective way to generate passive income by building a subscription-based platform around a niche interest such as fitness, creative writing, or entrepreneurship. Start by identifying a target audience and develop valuable content like exclusive tutorials, live Q&A sessions, or forums for networking. Plus, have hosts come onto the platform and host it on a great platform. Set up tiered subscription plans that offer perks like premium content, one-on-one coaching, or downloadable resources, and create a compelling landing page to attract members so you can charge anywhere from $5 to a couple of $100 a month for being a subscriber to the community, depending on the value that you're willing to offer. Now, promote the community throughout social media, email marketing, or collaborations with other influencers like myself, and automate onboarding with welcome emails and content drips. Once established, the community can grow through membership referrals and engagement, requiring minimal ongoing effort from you, the creator, such as just monitoring discussions and posting monthly updates. Next, peer-to-peer lending, PTP. Peer-to-peer lending generates passive income by allowing you to lend money directly to borrowers through online platforms such as Lending Club or Prosper, earning interest on the loans as they're repaid. You invest a sum of money, which is distributed across multiple small loans to diversify risk, and the platform handles borrowing screening, payment collection, and distribution of monthly interest payments to your account. While it requires initial research to choose a reputable platform and understand risk levels, since defaults can occur, the process is largely automated, providing a steady income stream with minimal ongoing effort, though returns depend on loan performance and platform fees. You can make around 3 and upwards to 10, even 15% annually by lending money on these types of platforms. This is perhaps not the most profitable way to generate passive income, but it is one of the most hands-off options. And for many people that are looking at this video, I wanted to provide you with different types of options, but that's pretty much where you're going to have to start to do more of this research. Allow for this video to be a launching pad into something that you're interested in. Whether it's YouTube, real estate, or being a private money lender, there's tons of options for you to earn additional revenue streams. My name is Karlton Dennis. If you like today's video, I want you to do something for me. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know which is the best option for you or what you'll be implementing over the next couple of years. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next video.